Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with Ztradex, and today we are looking at the analysis on the equity Boeing. Boeing is a top aircraft company in the U.S. and around the world, and we're going to be talking about fundamentals surrounding Boeing. Then we move down to technicals, which will be purely what will be seen on the chart. Boeing plans to maintain currently 737 MAX production at 38 planes monthly. Now, we see that the U.S. aircraft manufacturer anticipates maintaining the production of each 737 MAX airplanes at a rate of 38 units per month in the upcoming months. And according to a lot of words out there, we see that Vice President of Quality Commercial Airplanes at Boeing was made. The statement was currently made on Tuesday last week, and the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration set a production limit of 38 airplanes per month following a mid-air panel blowout incident in one of Boeing's nearly 737 airplanes in January 2024. So before this incident, we have monthly production of Boeing's top-selling airplane varied, fluctuating between teens and 30s, while the company has been grappling with a succession of crises and controversies which have negatively, impacted its financial health and put a strain on both employee morale and public trust. So once production is operational, or rather operating efficiently, we have Boeing planning to resume work on introduction of fourth production line as indicated by so many sources. Now, furthermore, we see that Boeing DOJ reached agreement in principal terms of a non-prosecution. This currently, we see that DOJ says that paying Boeing to pay about investing $1.1 billion to strengthen compliance and safety quality programs. And since after the release of this important news, we have seen a lot of gradual bullish sentiment, but we are expecting some of the news like the U.S. senators urge Justice Department to prosecute Boeing over 773 MAX crashes. This is just really contradicting how we see the movement on the chart. So resolutely, we have been seeing series of upward and downward movements. It has been a total indecision in the market. We have been seeing upsides, downsides, downsides. And now what we're expecting profusely is a total, probably a total drop down, because currently before the start of the market by 1:30, we're expecting a drop down to a very important support zone at 197.99 and a breakthrough of the drop down to 191.12. So we're expecting a push down to at least this very important resistance via support 9195.45, which is calculatively about 500 pips from that point, which is of course good money, and probably a drop down more to 191.63, making it about 800 to 1,000 pips from that point, of course, which is good money. Now, Boeing is a very important stock market in the New York Times. We're expecting probably this momentum to give a very new chapter for the Boeing aircraft. And that's our technical analysis on today's equity stock market. Boeing, I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.